Let's create a quick makeup look within 5 minutes and change from this to this. First, I'm prepping my skin, and for that I'm taking this moisturizer from Bioderma Ectoderm Cream. This is really good for sensitive to dry skin type and it instantly hydrates my skin. Then I'm taking a tinted sunscreen. This is from Lakme. It comes with 50 plus SPF and it is good for all skin types. It will not only block UV rays but it will also provide some kind of coverage to my bare skin. Now for this look I'm not going in with a foundation, so I'm just applying my concealer, and this concealer is closest to my skin tone. So for this look you have to take a concealer of your own color, or one shade darker would also work. So I'm applying it everywhere where I can see some kind of pigmentation or darkness, or even if there's a little bit of redness. So these are the areas that I need to cover a bit. Then just using my fingertips, I'm blending the concealer on my skin. I've used Maybelline's Fit Me concealer and I really love this concealer as it provides medium coverage and it is really easy to blend. If you're new to makeup and you're looking for affordable makeup, then I highly recommend to check the products from Maybelline because they really have good quality and they come at a good price as well. All the products that I've used from Maybelline so far have never disappointed me, so I really love this brand. Now coming back to the makeup, you can see it is really easy for me to blend my concealer using just my fingers, and I really love to use my fingers a lot when I'm doing my makeup, but I always take care that my hands are really clean and sanitized before I apply makeup using my hands on my face. Now that I'm satisfied with how my skin looks and it is looking even, I'll just take a translucent powder and I'll apply it all over my face, emphasizing underneath my eyes and eye area, so that all the creamy products just get set at its place. Here yet again I've used Maybelline's Fit Me translucent powder. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using a nude lip liner. This one is from Sugar brand. The name of this lip liner is quite fantastic. It is shade number 02 Wood by Nude. This is a great nude lip liner and this would look great on medium to light skin tone girls. And once I've applied it on my lips, I'll also apply it on the waterline, just focusing on the outer corner of my eyes, and then with the help of my finger I'll just smudge it out. Then I'll apply a peachy nude shade, and this one is from Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color range and the shade name is Peach Rose. For my blush, I'm taking this peach pinkish shade. Purpose of this makeup is to be get done really quick and I'm not going in with any contouring. So the application of blush becomes really important here. You can see I'm applying my blush focusing on the higher points of my cheeks, and that's why I am going up till the topmost part of my ears, and I'm blending my blush like so as to give a lift to my cheeks. Then I'm doing my brows. I feel like brows are the part that you should not miss when you are doing your makeup because it can just enhance your makeup look overall. It can shape your face. As you can see, like before doing my eyebrows I was looking a little bit different, and after giving shape to my eyebrows the whole makeup look is now coming together. To amp up this look, I'll go with a winged eyeliner and I'll only apply this eyeliner till half portion of my eyes, and this will look very sophisticated and it will give an edge to this makeup look. Coming to the last step of my 5 minutes makeup, I'll apply good coats of mascara to my upper eyelashes. I'll also apply this to my lower eyelashes, and for the same I'm using this tool that I recently bought from Amazon and I really find it handy. This is my final look. Let me know how you like it and would you like to create the same. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, do consider subscribing it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.